Mais mais c'est que les gens sont déjà tout mal. Moi ça dit feu.
Our topic on today is urinary system. And then the urinary system is a major excretory system, which mainly consists of the kidney and that of the urethra, the bladder, and then the ureters. So what it does is that it's a major excretory system in the body. It is located within the 12th thoracic vertebra, that of the 3rd lumbar vertebra.
Please help me, I leave the class.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And this
I control, see them follow, things in tolo, na sampolo, here tabolo, styling tolo, more than duro. Walking solo, talking solo, here side solo, branding solo, solo, mommy solo, solo, papa solo, earthing solo, 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 solo,
Okay, please students, and that is why we are discouraging particularly the youth from taking tramadol, because we've realized that youth of today has gotten into drug abuse so seriously that every now and then they abuse the drug, particularly tramadol, because this one is a strong opioid that normally uses to stabilize acute pain. And what it does is that it is only when it is prescribed under a health practitioner, particularly a medical doctor, that is when it is advisable that you take it. You don't take it when you feel like taking it, because it has a side effects and an adverse effects. And even if it is being prescribed to you, the prescriber will let you understand the side effects of this particular drug and that of the adverse effects. It comes like this in so many milligrams. We have 250 milligrams, we have 100 milligrams, we have 50 milligrams. And then it should be prescribed for you to take it. It has a side effect and an adverse effect. The side effects of it could come right after taking the drug, which is to say that yes, there could be allergic reaction. That is to say, you take it and then all of a sudden you feel body rashes all over your body. And then there could also be dizziness. Yes, there could also be nausea or vomiting. Yes, and then the adverse effects is what is even detrimental to the health of an individual, because this, when taken, will trigger or initiate a response which is considered abnormal, and that one could danger your health. What you need to do is to understand that if this one, when you are taking it without a prescription of a medical doctor or a health practitioner, yes, there's a possibility of you getting hallucination as an adverse effect. You can go to coma, there could be seizures, and there could also be convulsion. So that is why it is not advisable taking this drug without the prescription of a medical doctor or a health practitioner. Yeah. So let's try. I will say no to it, and then you will also say no to it, and together we will fight against the abuse of drug, particularly tramadol. I hope it's understood. Yes, sir. Thank you for your cooperation.